Hello, wonderful subscribers. This is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just giving you a mobile mechanic tip working on a newer Honda. Customer is complaining there's some kind of weird noise coming from the back of his vehicle. So, we're going to spin the tire. That is the sound that you will get when you need to change your front brakes. Your front brakes actually have a wear indicator on them and is designed to say, you need to change me. Here is the wear indicator. So think of this as a steak. As the steak gets thinner and thinner, that wear indicator will rub up against the rotor and it will say, you need to go ahead and get me changed. If you choose not to get it changed, your brakes, as you were, your rotors will look like, and they start to look like Saturn. And as you can see, it's starting to look like Saturn inside of there instead of a smooth surface like this one back here. Nice and smooth. If you choose not to get the brakes done, you will start to hear a grinding noise because now your brake pads that were a thick steak, now on the metal part is now grinding metal to metal. So now you're going from maybe $120 brake job to say probably a couple $100, and you better not hope you mess up that piston in that caliper. And then some of these new cars like this one has electrical parking brakes. So please let me know how that works out for you. It's going to be extremely expensive, and ignoring it and turning up the radio is not going to work. You're just going to put more money out of your pocket and it will be unnecessary. So I just want you to know and hear this noise. Time to change the brakes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments and positive advice. We all like to learn in a positive way. Thank you.